Hey, what's going on? Nick Tsai here. So in this video, I want to show you how you can hire freelancers to help you with your project and within budget, right? So in this website, it's called Fiverr. It's really powerful because you can have so many things done within $5. So let me show you how. So Fiverr is really a powerful website. So you can see they can help you with all kind of things. So they can help you with your logo design, your graphic design, or your intro, or they can help you with digital marketing, like your SEO, right? Or your local SEO, or your content marketing, or they can help you write your article, your copy, your description, or they can help you with your intro, with your video, with your editing. You can help you write the music as well, or any technical support. So it's really powerful, and you can have so many things done with this website. And as you can see, many of the services are just $5, right? So how do you use this website? So the first thing is you want to go to the search bar and search for the service you want. Maybe you want to have a logo down for your maybe courses or training. You just type in logo, right? Then the next thing you want to do is you want to look for all the candidate, and you want to filter them based on your criteria. So maybe your budget is $10. You can go to budget and type in your $10, right? Then you can click on apply. Then it will show you all the candidate, and you can sort them by relevancy or by best selling. So sometimes I want to go to bestseller because sometimes it means higher quality or cheaper offer, right? So I would just check them one by one. I would go to each of the portfolio and see who provides the best offer, and I will also read see their pictures to see if that's the style I like. And I also will go to their reviews. So I will read their reviews. I will see if there's any 1-star reviews and what's the reason for the 1-star review, and or a 3-star review, what's the reason for that. Also some of the 5-star review as well. Yeah, and I also check their about this gig, so I will know what are the packages they're offering, or what's the offer they can provide, right? And then after checking everything, I will just click on the contact seller to negotiate with the price, or negotiate for everything. Or sometimes I will just ask questions or ask them for sample, especially if you want to do like copywriting. I will ask them for sample because I want to make sure they can deliver high quality work. So you can negotiate everything or communicate anything here. Then after you place the order, you just go to the message, and you can go to the order message page, and then you can communicate here with your seller, with your freelancer. So that is how you use Fiverr. It's pretty easy. You can go to nicktsai.com/Fiverr to use this website. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.